Microeconomics is a vital branch of economics that focuses on the behavior and decision-making of individual economic units, such as consumers, households, firms, and specific industries. Unlike macroeconomics, which deals with the economy as a whole, microeconomics examines the smaller, detailed elements of economic activity. It investigates how individuals and organizations make choices regarding the allocation of limited resources, and how these choices affect the supply and demand of goods and services. By studying these interactions, microeconomics explains how prices are determined in different markets and how these prices influence consumer behavior and business decisions. The word microeconomics is derived from the Greek term mikros, meaning small, reflecting its focus on specific markets rather than the entire economy. It explores how consumers prioritize their needs and wants within their income constraints and how businesses aim to maximize profit by efficiently producing and distributing goods or services. For example, microeconomics helps us understand why the price of a product rises when demand increases or how competition among businesses influences product quality and innovation. A fundamental concept in microeconomics is demand and supply, which determines the equilibrium price and quantity in a market. Demand reflects how much of a product consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices, while supply shows how much producers are willing to offer for sale at those prices. The intersection of demand and supply curves sets the equilibrium point, where the quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied. Shifts in these curves, due to factors like changes in consumer preferences, production costs, or government policies, can lead to price fluctuations and market adjustments. Elasticity is another crucial aspect of microeconomics. It measures how sensitive demand or supply is to changes in price, income, or other variables. For instance, essential products like food have low price elasticity because people continue buying them even if prices rise, whereas luxury goods tend to have higher elasticity, with demand dropping significantly if prices increase. Businesses use elasticity to determine optimal pricing strategies, while policymakers use it to forecast the effects of taxes or subsidies. Microeconomics also examines market structures, which influence how firms operate and compete. These structures include perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. In perfect competition, many firms sell identical products, leading to minimal price control. In contrast, a monopoly involves a single firm dominating the market, which allows significant control over prices. Each structure affects consumer choice, business strategy, and overall market efficiency. In addition to markets, microeconomics studies production and costs, exploring how businesses decide on the combination of labor, capital, and raw materials to produce goods efficiently. The concepts of marginal cost, marginal revenue, and economies of scale help firms determine optimal production levels to maximize profit. Microeconomic analysis is not limited to business applications, it also plays a critical role in public policy. Governments rely on microeconomic principles to design taxation systems, implement price controls, and create regulations that protect consumers while encouraging fair competition. For instance, understanding how a tax on a particular product affects both producers and consumers helps policymakers create balanced economic measures. In conclusion, microeconomics is the study of individual economic units and their interactions within specific markets. It provides deep insights into the dynamics of demand, supply, pricing, production, and competition. By analyzing these smaller components, microeconomics offers practical solutions for improving efficiency, maximizing resource allocation, and enhancing consumer welfare. Its principles are fundamental to understanding real-world economic behavior, making it a cornerstone of modern economics.